Need a way for people to book time with you online? In this video, I'll show you how to create a booking page in SureContact. You can connect your calendar and automatically tag, organize, and follow up with every new booking. Let's get started. Now, before you can create a booking page, you'll need to connect your calendar. So head to the Connections tab in the left sidebar, scroll down to the Calendar section, and click Connect Calendar. You'll need to authorize your Google account to connect to SureContact, and once that's completed, you'll be back here with an active status. That connection lets SureContact check your actual availability and automatically create the calendar event when someone books. Now, go to the Bookings in the sidebar, click Event Types, and create a new one. I'll call this one Harborview Discovery Call, with a time of, let's say, 30 minutes, and I'll set the location to online so Google Meet generates a link automatically. You'll also see here your public booking URL. This is the link you'll share with people. We'll come back to that in a minute. Next, on the Availability tab, toggle on the days you want to accept bookings and add in your time windows. I'm going to go do Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday here, and we'll set the timings for 10 to 2 p.m. Now, you can set multiple windows per day if you need a lunch break or something similar. Now, on the Advanced tab, this is where it gets interesting. Now, you've got buffer times, minimum notice, daily booking limit settings. And at the bottom of the page here, you can set tags and lists for confirmed bookings. So here, I'm going to add a tag called Discovery Call Booked, and I'll add the contacts to my Harborview Leads list. This is where bookings stop becoming just a scheduler, and every person who books is automatically pulled into the CRM functionality, already tagged and sorted. So the last step is to activate your event. Now let me show you what this looks like for the person booking. So I'll grab the public URL and open it up in a new tab. They see the event name, the duration, the location type, and a calendar showing available dates. They can pick a time and a day, enter their name and email, and confirm. And that's all there is to do from their side of things. Now let's go back into SureContact and see what just happened. If I go to Contacts, there's a new contact created automatically from the booking form. The Discovery Call Booked tag is already there, and they're already on the Harborview Leads list. And both the host and the invitee got a confirmation email. Now here's the part that ties it all together. SureContact fires an automation trigger every time a booking is confirmed. It's called Booking Created, and you can use it as the entry point for any workflow. So I've got a simple workflow here. When Booking Created fires, the contact gets enrolled in a Harborview Discovery follow-up sequence. So there's no manual action, no checking a spreadsheet. The booking happens and the follow-up immediately starts. There are also triggers for booking canceled and booking rescheduled. So if someone reschedules, you can send a custom confirmation. If they cancel, you can trigger a re-engagement sequence. So let me show you one more workflow automation here. So SureContact fires a separate trigger whenever a booking is rescheduled. So I've got a workflow here with booking, rescheduled as the trigger, and the action is direct email. Something like, no problem, your new time is confirmed, and we'll see you then. I'll trigger reschedule from the events view so you can see it in action. And there it is. The confirmation email goes out automatically. The same thing works for cancellations. Every booking status has a trigger you can build on. So that's SureContact bookings. Instead of going back and forth over email trying to find a time, you can share a booking link and let people schedule themselves and automatically organize every booking inside SureContact. If you want to try it yourself, there's a free link to SureContact in the description. Also, subscribe so you don't miss what we cover next. And we'll see you in the next one.